Welcome to Eagle. This is our EIW Series platform weighing scale. This is designed and manufactured to weigh all heavy and larger objects. This model comes in two variants, ABS LCD and ABS LED. The platform structure is constructed with mild steel frame and stainless steel pan. It has adjustable legs. This has the back rail which helps to assist the objects being weighed and the pole which has the steady holder to mount the indicator. This model is available in various platform sizes and capacities. The silicone keypads offers a precise soft touch feel. The adjustable U-bracket of the weighing indicator helps to set the adjustable viewing angles. The indicator in the nebular platform scale is having check weighing function and check counting function. The LCD variant indicator has color changing display during check weighing. Also, it has other features like accumulation, peak hold and weight transmission to computer through RS-232. The power supply to the indicator is facilitated with USB-C type charging port and with adapter. It also has lithium-ion battery for more backup time. This nebular platform scale can be used in all industrial, logistics and in retail applications.